You are definitely familiar with these instant noodles. Easy, lightweight and high in calories. But I must say, after a day or three, I'm sick and tired of them. They all taste the same, like salt and flavor enhancer. So why not prepare them yourself? Just as easy to make on the trail, and you can get way more variation, real flavors and an even higher calorie count per ounce. Now, how do you go about it? Basically, I make a combination out of 4 categories. The first is your noodle type. For example, wheat noodles, rice mihoon or egg meat. Then you choose your stock. I've got red, orange and green curry here, chicken and vegetable cubes and garden herbs powder. I add a bit of olive oil to all of them. The curries are great to combine with coconut cream, while I might add soy sauce to the stock cubes and powders. Next up is something for extra flavor and structure. I'll call a filler, like dried mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes, or a dried vegetable mix like this one with onions, cabbage, bell peppers and carrots. And to finish, I like to choose a topping. I've got chili flakes here, fried onions and freeze-dried parsley. So for today I will pick rice meal. The stock will be 1 tablespoon of green curry with 1.75 ounces of coconut cream. I'll add 0.5 ounce of sun-dried tomatoes and a topping that consists of 1 teaspoon of freeze-dried parsley. The noodles will go in a larger Ziploc bag with the filler. Put the stock in a smaller bag, and if you don't trust the Ziploc, you can burn it shut. Put the topping in another small bag, and you're done. When you're ready for lunch, bring 10 ounces of water to a boil. Add the bag with noodles and stock. Wait for 3 minutes. And finish it off with the topping. Now, that is a much better lunch. And with 131.5 calories per ounce, very suitable for ultralight backpacking. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.